Now, because things are changing. What do you mean wet? Are we talking about rain?
Yeah, there's
measurable.
Yeah, we could get maybe up to 1/4 of an inch for some coast and valley locations. That's going to be through tomorrow morning. So the occasional shower can't be ruled out at times as we head through the day today. Right now, live shot over La Jolla. While you can see the roads there are dry, but you may run into some slick ones as you head in. I asked a few people in our newsroom. They had some sprinkles. I didn't have anything coming in. We are going to see that chance for showers pick up as we head through the morning hours. This storm system right here, the bulk of the rain stays to the north of us. However, it's enhancing our marine layer, and that's what the chance for showers, maybe some drizzle here or there, is as we head through the day. So 10 News Futurecast, a little overestimate right now is what's going on. You can see the very hit or miss nature that really continues into the afternoon and evening, and then again as we head into tomorrow morning. This is at 6:30, so you may even have a wet evening commute as well. Temperatures are on the cool side. We're in the 50s, mid-50s for most areas, and several areas will actually stay in the 50s this afternoon. So much cooler. Highs, in fact, top off about 5 degrees below average along the coast, up to 30 degrees below average for our mountains. So a big drop in temperatures today, but we are going to see a big warm up as we head into the end of the week. In fact, along the coastline, we're going from the 60s to the mid-70s Friday into next weekend. So another great weekend ahead for us. Our inland neighborhoods cool through the next several days in the 60s, but then we jump to the 70s on Thursday and 80s Friday into the weekend. Our mountains and deserts will be pretty windy, especially tomorrow and early Wednesday morning. That's when that wind advisory will be in effect there. 70s before you know it in the mountains and back into the 90s by Friday in our deserts.